Hello, so I completed a little bit over 50 rows of my sleeve. I started working on this as a raglan. This is when I start with my 18 stitches, and every other row I added 1 stitch on each side of my sleeve. After I separated the sweater, I left actually the sleeve, and I did not work on my sleeves all the way until I finished the end. And this is how I separated sleeve. I just kept lower number of needle on all my stitches because I do not want to stretch my stitches. I'm working with 4.5 millimeters. This is 4 millimeters, so it's a little bit thinner, and does not stretch my stitches. This is how it looks until I picked up again this hole, making sure that my sleeve is nicely connected to the body of the sweater. I already completed this on this side. The sleeve has been attached, and if I twist this here, you will see maybe better. This on the back. So I marked this stitch here, and I do like using yarn as my markers because they're less bulky, and for me personally it's much easier to work with than using the plastic markers. So this is the first row where I pick up all the stitches and I connect my body of the sweater to my sleeve.